Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to stop persons from using your reels on posts on Instagram. Firstly, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to select the three dashes in the top right hand corner. And from here, you're going to tap on settings. Then you are going to select privacy and you'll select reels and remix, and you'll see allow for feed videos. So that means that a person will be able to include your video in their reel for feed. So you'll simply tap on this to disable it so no one can create new remixes with your feed videos. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.